Hi Emma, here is a first pass at the hunting room we've been discussing. Um, at the moment I've got no accurate dimensions. These are a reasonable guess. I think I've gone for about 3 meters by just under 2, judging from the photos. So let's start by making the room transparent, and I'll get rid of the windows. In fact, I'm going to get rid of a bit more. Let's get rid of all of that. So now we've got our bearings. The door is up this end. This is the wall mounted suggestion. I'm going to hide the floor mounted stuff so we can talk about this assembly a bit more easily. In fact, I can put the room back in now. Okay, so we've got some baskets, gliding baskets. At the moment I've designed using the basic white product. It's likely that all of this can be replicated in their new Garage Plus range, which is a nice dark grey, or a lot of it could be done in their graphite colour, which is a very nice chocolatey brown. The one range that I know all of these parts will exist in and are in the UK is the white, which is why I've shown that. It's also what all my models are made of. But let's not rule out the other colours. We can do some stock checking once we've gauged the client's level of enthusiasm. So I'm now going to put some slip cases and sport cases in. Bear with me, I know this is a bit clunky. Okay, so what the client's currently doing with the slip case is hanging them. That seems to be a good solution to me. Elfa do make what they call a basket shelf, which is a wire shelf with a 100mm upstand at the front and back. That would also be a good option. It's whether the client feels hanging is better or just laying them flat like this. I've got no opinion about that particularly. The nice thing, I mean, there are other opportunities to use this basket shelf effectively. One of the things I like about this is the fact that it comes with this sort of transparent see-through divider, which can be used as both an end cap and create divisions. Other clients have found that really useful for sportswear, hats, coats, gloves, where you've got lots of little bits of pieces. Also good for organising household goods. So I don't know whether they're going to have cartridge cases here. I suspect not, but you know, it's a good general organiser, and the fact that you can move these divisions around is really useful. The gliding baskets there are likely to be mesh if we go for the graphite or the grey. A slightly tougher white wire grid is an option if we go for the white. The gun cases I've shown just on flat shelves. Let's just disappear those two. I've shown a 400mm deep shelf at the moment. There is a 500mm deep shelf available. This product, the basket shelf, is only available in 400 and 300. Let's quickly switch over to the other side. Bear with me. So this is on the window side. The freestanding product is only available in white, but you can get all of the other facilities to fit onto the white freestanding components. So, you know, the basket shelves I've shown here, you could get the gliding baskets. I haven't shown any shoe racks, but there are some nice gliding shoe racks. Shelves are sometimes a better option if we're talking about boots, and if it's kids' wellies and things like that, simple baskets are worth thinking about. There's lots of different things we can go into, but I think this first pass establishes some, you know, basic design ideas, basic layouts, and it also establishes a price point. Because we've got a reasonable mix of static components and gliding components, the price I've come up with for this assembly is probably a good middle to high reference point in terms of price. Okay, I hope that's useful, and we'll speak soon. Bye bye.